New day, new market update, bratans. We see Bitcoin right now pumping, and I have two amazing signals for you, which I want to share with you. So we see right now, yesterday Bitcoin got rejected here at 29,200. I told you, watch out, because we could see, and it's still on. We could see still Bitcoin dumping to the daily and weekly support line, and even to the second weekly daily support line, 23,000. But the relief rally is not over, and I tell you why. The relief rally is not over because look, we have two amazing things which I already shared in our Telegram group with you, bratans. You see here, we have here the symmetrical triangle, right? We see here S&P 500 right now, and S&P 500 is the leading indicator. We broke yesterday out and we closed also above. So this is very, very bullish. And right now, sit down, bratans, and watch this. S&P 500 futures is right now at 4,086. The futures pumping even further. So in the futures, we are even here right now. Already here. So what that mean? 9:30 the stock market, US stock market will open, and if it opens like it seems right now, we will see even a more pump in the S&P 500, and so does Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is following obviously always S&P 500. Bitcoin is following S&P 500. So the technical price target for S&P 500 is around 4,282, and this one would be 6% pump. 6% in Bitcoin. You know, stock market is like the old grandpa. In Bitcoin, it means we could see easily pump of over 15%, but easily. But not only S&P 500 looks amazing, also total crypto market cap. We are forming here this symmetrical broadening wedge, and this is also amazing, bratans. In case you measure always from the first touch point to the last touch point here on this line, in case we are breaking it to the upside, the total crypto market cap would go, technical pricing would be at 1.5 trillion. Thank you very much. 1.5 trillion. This is amazing. So this would mean we would see not only Bitcoin pumping, but we would see also altcoins heavily pumping. Let us watch closely this have an eye on the total crypto market cap. In case we are breaking here out, this will be very, very bullish. Right now everything looks very, very healthy, but if you are in a long, I would still make sure, because one FUD news against Binance would cause easily Bitcoin retesting the daily first weekly support or even the second weekly support at 23k to dump. However, like I explained to you, technically speaking, we are still expecting the relief rally further to go to the upside. However, it's not, in my opinion, again, it's not a bull market yet. This is a relief rally. As I told you, on the big picture, we have even to zoom out even more. And very important, bratans, to understand Bitcoin, you have always to zoom out. The more you zoom out, the more precise it will be. For hourly traders, obviously you have to zoom in, but also to recognize the trend, always zoom out. And this is what I do right now. On the weekly, if we are watching on the weekly, then we have here this massive white line. This massive white line is since 2020, support and resistance. So obviously this line, in my opinion, this line will not be broken at 33,400, 34,000. Yes, we could go even to 35, 36k, but this will be the end of the relief rally approximately. Then we're getting rejected here and going back at least to 20k or even lower. Not financial advice, but I mean, obviously, if the Fed starts to print even more money, like crazy printing money, then we could shoot even to 50, 60k. But this is not what we want to see, because you have to understand, if Bitcoin pumping right now to 60, 70k, it means the Fed start printing money, and the Fed printing money, we're getting right now in a massive hyperinflation. You don't want it. You don't want to see Bitcoin right now at 100k. You have to understand not only crypto, you have to understand the stock market and the whole economy in order to understand crypto. We are expecting the bull market after the halving. If you look past in the future, if you look in the past, always after the halving, we saw the start of the real bull market. I mean, there are people considering there are two sides how you can look at the bull market. I looking at the bull market after we have. Let me show you here on the chart. So for me, the bull market always starting after we created a low and then the bull market starting. For some other people, it's after we created the bottom. So for example, here, like you see here, then we had a pump, then a dump, and then we had a pump. For some people, this, after we hit here the bottom, here the bull market begins. It depends how you define it. For me, it's always after we saw a new lower low. Not lower low, this was not a lower low, but it was nearly the bottom again, right? So therefore, if you consider this was the bottom, yes, we created right now also, this is potentially that this is right now the bottom. 15,000 is the bottom. However, if we have even bigger, some bigger news that the real estate market crashing, banking crashing, Binance crashing, we could go even to 7,400. So therefore, for me, this is not right now the bull market. This relief rally, which could go to 35K easily. So therefore, bratans, watch out right now. Be prepared. Have your stop loss, proper stop loss. Not financial advice, like I told you. If you're in a long below the weekly, first or second weekly support line, and the first price target, it's still 30K, slightly below 30K, so 6% to go. In case we are breaking above 30K, the next price target would be around slightly below 35K. So on all, 20%. Ethereum, obviously we're expecting Ethereum to pump here because 12th April Shanghai update to 2000 as soon as we're breaking its monthly support. And if we're breaking 2000, the next support line is here at 2500. I explained you also yesterday, I don't want to boring you here. And we are watching here Arbitrum closely, you know it. We wrote in the Telegram group, I wrote you, I bought at $1.18. I sold most of my position already, but if you're still in this Arbitrum position, you made already over 20%, and we could go even high. We could go even to $1.50 or even to $2, but be very careful, take profits here. Arbitrum is the layer 2 solution of Ethereum, and obviously this Arbitrum we're expecting to pump as soon as Ethereum further pumping to the upside. Very important, bratan, educate yourself in order to understand. Doesn't matter of Bitcoin, crypto, real estate, whatever you're doing, or picking up boys or girls, you have to educate yourself. Therefore, make research, your own research on YouTube, Google, whatever you want. We have a Telegram group, which is today the last day where you have all the information concentrated in one group. Therefore, you have to pay it because I have a big team working on it to provide you this value. We are making altcoin research. We have 2 teachers, crypto teacher and trading teacher, and you need one. Doesn't matter if you're professional or beginner, you need one. Also, I am still improving myself. If you want, you can do your own research, or you can join the group right now. $30, the last day. After tomorrow, since from the 1st April, it will be $100 a month. So right now, if you join today, you get $30 for 1 month. You can check it out. And I'm preparing, it's not safe, but I had a seed round offer right now to invest in a project in a seed round, and I want to share also the seed round with you guys who are in this private group, so you have even more benefit. So I try to make this the biggest group which has the most value for you guys, and it already has the most value from all the other groups. If you compare it, there's no group where you pay $30 and also not $100 where you have such a big value, bratans. You can ask everyone also in our free group, bratans. If you want to join, very, very easy. Here, link, I pinned this comment. This is the first comment which is pinned, or link in description. Just click on the link, and then you see that our bot will show you the way. And we have also, I have someone, if you want, you can write her and she will explain you everything. Just click the link, you will see it, bratans. Very important, only through this pinned comment or through a link in the description, because there are a lot of fakes. Don't search for this channel because there are a lot of fakes. Thank you everyone for watching, bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.